If you're having problems with the center touchpad not working in your Mercedes, then it's possible that it's just deactivated. Mine wasn't working when I bought my used C300, but I do have a simple fix to share with you. So to activate your Mercedes touchpad, press up on the center dial. Normally, system settings should show up here in the bottom left of the screen. If not, go into the vehicle settings. Then hit the back button in the center console. And now the system settings button shows up. Navigate down and select System Settings. Now scroll down to Touchpad in the list and press the center dial to select. Here, press the center dial again to activate the touchpad. You'll notice activated with the check mark. And if the handwriting function is important to you, you can activate it here too. I don't really have a need for it, so I'll leave it off. Exit out of the settings and now your Mercedes touchpad will be working now. These instructions should apply to most Mercedes vehicles with a Comand system. Mine is a 2015 C300 in case you were wondering. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.